In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML files in Adobe Premiere Pro. Importing XML files is a really useful way to bring in timelines, edits, or sequences that were created in another project or even another editing program. XML acts like a blueprint of your edit. It contains information about your clips, cuts, transitions, and sometimes basic effects. So getting this step right is important to keep your edit organized and accurate. First, make sure you have Premiere Pro open and that the project you want to bring the XML into is already loaded. It can be an existing project you're continuing to work on or a brand new project you've just created. Give Premiere a moment to fully load all your media so it runs smoothly as you import. Now move your attention to the very top of the screen to the main menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, Clip, and so on. Click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to creating, opening, and bringing assets into your project. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Import and click on it. As soon as you do, your computer's file browser will appear. This is where you'll navigate to the location of the XML file you want to bring into Premiere. Take your time here and make sure you know where that XML file is stored, whether it's on your desktop, in a specific project folder, or on an external drive. Once you've located the correct XML file, click on it to select it. Before you open it, double check the file name and location, just to be sure you're importing the right version, especially if you have multiple XMLs for the same project. When you're ready, either press Enter on your keyboard or click the Open button in the dialog. Premiere Pro will now start importing the XML. Depending on the complexity of the project and the amount of media it references, this might take a few seconds. During this time, avoid clicking around too much and just let Premiere finish processing everything. When the import is complete, look at the project panel, usually located at the bottom left of the interface. You'll see the imported XML appear there, often as a new bin or a sequence, along with any clips or elements it references that Premiere can find. From here, you can double-click the sequence to open it on your timeline and start working with it like any other edit. And that's it. You've successfully imported an XML file into Adobe Premiere Pro and you're ready to continue editing.